I know Kyoto's really hot in summer, but that hot summer makes possible the delicious Kyoto vegetables. Today we're going to cook and eat some Kyoto brand peppers. Kyoto is the place to be in summer. Mr. Morita is going to cook these for us, and we're going to compare the taste of these three different peppers. So the seeds get in the way of the taste, so we're going to take them out. Okay, these are the fushimi green peppers. The little bit of water in the skin of the green pepper is popping, so we get this nice popping sound. Now Mr. Morita has put in the takagamine green pepper and the manganji green pepper. Have these done in a bit. This is dried and shaved fish. And now we're going to put a little soy sauce on here. Let's try the fushimi pepper first. Next we're going to do the takagamine. And now we're going to try the manganji. They all have a very similar taste, just a little bit different. The texture is quite different, but I think I like the takagamine green pepper best. Fushimi green pepper, takagamine green pepper, manganji green pepper, they're all delicious. Good.